how to add eSIM on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just go to your settings. Once you're there, just go to cellular right here. Then here you'll see the option to add eSIM. Just wait for it to load, and you could transfer it from a nearby iPhone. So when you tap on that, it will say transfer a phone number from another iPhone. So make sure that your iPhone is nearby, unlocked, has Bluetooth on, and is running iOS 16 or later. But if you don't have a spare iPhone to transfer from, you just need to go back and tap on use QR code. And now you could go to the QR of what your carrier has. So you could go through it online. And I think it also buy it from the stores. They can give you a QR code for your eSIM. But they could also enter the details manually like this. Tap on the enter details manually at the bottom. And here you just need to input the details like the SMDP address, activation code, confirmation code. So this is only optional. But once you're done, you just need to go next and just go through with the process. And that's how you basically add an eSIM on iPhone.